Hello everyone, my name is Manideep. I am from section 14. My roll number is 20IM30021. Today I am going to show you what I did for my week 4 DIY assignment. So I made a WASD board, that is just a car with two motors that can be controlled like moving forward, backward, left and right using WASD keys of the keyboard when the Arduino is connected to the laptop. So let's review this. So I'm using a L293D motor driver here. This can handle two motors, and I connected one motor in one motor to this side and another motor to this side. And this requires I'm driving the motors at 9 volt supply, 9 volts. So I am using a 9 volt battery, but the driver itself needs only 5 volts, so I'm using a 5 volt regulator. And so yeah, I'm connecting the power driving power to 9 volts and the internal circuitry power to 5 volt. And enable pins are used to control the speed, but I'm not controlling the speed now, so they're always at high. And one more important thing is that these motors should be connected like rotate in opposite directions to move forward or backward. Like uh, this has to in clockwise and this is anti-clockwise, then only it move forward. This can be easily visualized when imagine these two motors are on the left and right side, and then you can see that this motor is spinning right, and this clockwise, and this is like basically they are spinning opposite directions. Then only the motor moves forward. So all these input pins are this is this driver is based on the H bridge. So yeah, these inputs are connected to the input pins of the digital pins of the Arduino. Yeah, that's all for the code. That's all for the circuit. Now let's look at the code. So code, I like declared a character C and set up the all the pins to output mode. And I'm like checking the serial dot available, and then taking the serial input. And if the character is C, I'm using a switch case. So if the character is W, then I'm giving the input in such a way that this motor is clockwise and this is anti-clockwise, that is moving forward. So that is this high low low to the input pins of the uh, L293D. And then after once I'm moving it forward for 1 second and then stopping it and resetting the character, the char C, so that it won't loop again. So again, for this S, similarly, up exactly in opposite direction. A for left, that is I'm stopping the A is for left, so I'm stopping the left motor and only rotating the right motor. And D exactly opposite. So let's see this. I'll start simulation. So I'll press W, and as you can see, these are rotating in opposite speeds, and after 1 second it's stopping. So like we have to keep pressing it like W, and then it will rotate for like 5 seconds if we press 5 times. uh, so that's it. And back again, same, left and right. Yeah, that's all. This is a simple remote control car, you can say. So that's it. Thank you very much.